Alright, me and Blake are on the last plane of the day. We're headed to Utah. And now a little 3-hour flight.
Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon again. This is your humble gate agent. I'm seeking 3 passengers with flexible travel plans. We can confirm you on flight 17.
The bag underneath the seat in front of you or in the overhead bin. They may not be stowed in seat pockets. You may continue to use your mobile devices as long as they are secured in your hand or pocket. Finally, please check around your seat for anything that you would like to discard and pass up to the flight attendants as we come to the cabin. We will be landing shortly. Once we're on the ground, feel free to use your mobile devices while we taxi to the gate. At this time, it is necessary for all passengers to remain seated for the duration of our flight. Also, ladies and gentlemen, if you are seated in our Delta One cabin, flight attendants will be coming through the aisle shortly.
What's up, babe boy? What's up? What's up? Are you stoking? Yeah. Yeah.
I just put it right here.
That's the spot, baby. We got us a hot tub. Chilling. We're chilling.
We're in Island Park.
All right.
Well, we're in Eagle Ridge Ranch.
Eagle Ridge Ranch?
Eagle Ridge Ranch.
On the border, the Continental Divide?
We're 10 miles from the border. Continental Divide, yeah.
Okay, cool.
I'm on my way. I'm on.
Sounds good. So he will be here at 4:30?
Yep, we'll be at your place at 4:30.
Okay, 10-4. That'll work.
And then you guys should be good to go. And
All right.
then the big thing is just covering country on glass with the vinyls, you know.
Okay.
Because once we locate one, then we can go put the hurt on them. You know?
Okay.
Wow. So the top of that mountain, that's the border right there, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's pretty hell over there.
Wow.
A lot of bears in that country.
You wanna go on a hunt? Huh?
Hi guys.
Oh, I think they like Dad.
What's up, baby? Hi, baby. Hi, baby.
Fellas.
Hi, baby.
Hey, where are you?
So I've never ridden a horse before, but we're gonna attempt to kill a bear on a horse, so.
Oh, okay.
Stay tuned, this should be funny. But we're stoked. We are stoked.
Like a champ, baby. Like a champ. Attaboy.
Hey. Oh. Yo, why is he running?
Pull back the thing. Pull back the rein.
That black dot is the bear. 500 yards. Big Will's gonna try and take the shot. There he is. The black bear's up there on the range right now. I had to scoot back a little bit. The glare's giving us a little hard time. Black bear's still in our sights though. I'm glad I'm not the one taking the shot. I'm shaking like a mother. I know. Oh, Big Will hits this. He's getting set up right now. We're looking pretty solid though. Might be a hard shot. He's up high. But he hasn't moved much.
Yeah.
Okay, still on him?
Yeah.
How's that look?
Good.
Is that clearer?
Yeah.
Or worse? Is it worse now?
No.
Okay. Okay, I'm gonna lean you this way just a little bit.
Okay.
Lean right a little bit with your gun.
Okay.
Lean it right.
Okay.
Lean it right more. Take your left wrist and roll it right. Right there. Okay, do a practice click. How'd that feel?
Good.
Okay, hold on. Just take a deep breath. Not yet. Don't touch that trigger yet. Lean your gun right. Okay, lean it right a little more. Right there. Okay, squeeze the trigger when you're ready.
He ran to the right.
He's running down.
I think I hit him.
It sounded like you did.
I think I drilled him.
I thought I saw him fall.
I drilled
No,
him.
he didn't fall. He ran to the right into that pocket.
Well, yeah, but he jumped down into it.
No, I drilled him.
You did smack him. So hold on. Just there. You got another one in?
Yeah, I think. Did you pull one in? Yeah.
Did I put one in there? I did.
Yeah.
Okay, there's one in now. Okay, I'm gonna zoom you out.
Okay.
I gotta find him. I don't know.
He hit, and it sounded like it hit him, you know?
I drilled him.
And then he bolted down the hill. So I want to make sure he's not laying.
Yeah, I'm trying to see him.
I know I drilled him.
We got a bear. We got a bear, baby! Holy sh**.
It's better than average.
That's a pretty bear. Look at that.
That is.
Beautiful.
That's a beautiful bear.
Good job, fellas.
Look at that hair on that. I can't get old. That's
thick.
a rub.
That's
Otherwise,
thick.
they just look ugly as ugly from the rub. Look at that head.
Oh. He's a thick son of a bitch.
Worn the tips off yet.
Yeah.
How sharp they are.
Yeah.
That's so cool.
I know I hit him.
Oh, I knew you hit
I
him
knew
too,
I
but
hit
like,
him.
I had a buddy shot a bear, same thing, seen the big old flag of dust, and the
Yeah.
bear went and
I told you I hit him.
Let's go!
I told you, baby.
All the way over there, those horses. 508 yards, baby.
what is that? 522.
You're a stud.
You got it?
Rudest beefsteak. Like, please be careful.
That's easy enough. To the right, where it's open rocks.
That great patch of rock down there.
I going across the river in this thing?
Oh yeah.
No, this makes me fun.
$500,000.
500 grand?
Yeah. Put holes and structure in the creek.
Wow.
And it's like now, you know, I charge $100 a rod to come over here and fish. And you know, it works out. It's a great fishery, you know.
I can hear the animals talking. I can hear the animals talking. But they ain't talking to me. Are they talking to you? No, they ain't talking to me. Who they talking to? I can hear electric lights talking. I can hear electric lights talking. But they ain't talking to me. Are they talking to you? If they ain't talking to me, who they talking to? I'm listening. I'm listening. I'm listening. I can hear the dead of night talking. I can hear the dead of night. I got birthday, baby. I got talking. But it ain't talking to me. Is it talking to you? No, it ain't talking to me. Who's it talking to? I'm listening. I'm listening. I'm listening. I'm on fire. Under attack. And it's been a long, lonely winter. I just want.
I love trail mix.
Oh God, it's on. It's on. We've spotted a cinnamon bear. Nice cinnamon bear. He's up there. He's at 800 yards. We're gonna have Blake take the shot this time.